Now page 162, next page. Look at the items below. Which item do you think has a mass of greater than 1 kg? Greater means bigger, heavier, okay? Which item weighs less than 1 kg? Let's have a look. Do you think the laptop is less or more than 1 kg? What about the can? Or this cap or helmet? Let's see now. We have them on weighing scale. So the laptop is, this is 2 kg. And how many grams here? 500. So it is 2 and 500 kg. So does that mean it's greater or less than 1 kg? It's greater. So the laptop has a mass greater than 1 kg. So if we find the pointer going after the 1 here, 1 kg, it means that it's greater. If it is before, it will be less. Let's see the can. Now here the pointer, okay? It's before the 500 and it's before 1, so it's less than 1 kg. The can has a mass less than 1 kg. What about the stereo? Now look here. Oh, it's pointing to 3 kg and 500. So it is greater than 1 kg. And the helmet, it's before the 1. So it is less than 1 kg. In your next page now, you need to write the mass of each object. Okay? Remember that if you have G here, so this is only grams. If you have kg, it means that you are weighing kilograms, okay? You already have this G or kg. You just write the number. Please do these pages, page 164 and 165. And then we will move on to comparing masses. Now let's see. We have 2 objects here, 2 things. And we want to know which one is heavier and which one is lighter. What's the meaning of heavier? It means that its mass is greater than the other. And if it is lighter, its mass is less than the other. Now, this is a paper, and this is a mango. The pepper is lighter than the mango, okay? And the watermelon is heavier than the pear. So let's remember these words: heavier, lighter, greater, less, mass, weighing scale. These are important words to remember, okay? Let's have a look at these. Teddy bear and the shoe. The shoe is, or the teddy bear is lighter than the shoe. Now the teddy bear is heavier than the tissue box. The tissue box is lighter than the teddy bear. The tissue box must also be lighter than the shoe. So the tissue box is the lightest, the shoe is the heaviest, okay? This one is heavier than the teddy bear, and teddy bear is heavier than the tissue box. So the tissue box is the lightest, and the heaviest is the shoe. In between comes the teddy bear. Now we have the same for this calculator and this game. So here the calculator is lighter, the game is heavy, is as heavy as the mobile phone. Now what's the meaning as heavy as? They have the same mass. They have the same mass, okay? They weigh the same. They are equal. Now the camera is heavier than the game console. Okay? The camera is heavier than the game console. Here we have football and tennis ball and basketball. Let's look at the football. It is 400 grams and the tennis ball is 60 grams and the basketball is 450 grams. The mass of the football is 400 grams, the mass of tennis ball is 60 grams, and the mass of the basketball is 450 grams. The basketball is heavier than the football and the tennis ball. The basketball is heavier than the tennis ball and the football. Okay, heavier than both of them, so it is the heaviest. The heaviest. Why? Because it is more than the group. The tennis ball is lighter than the football and lighter than the basketball, so it is the lightest, okay? So when we have something in a group and it is the least in number or in weight or in length, whatever, we add EST and we say heaviest, lightest, greatest, etc. We can arrange the balls from the heaviest to the lightest. Have a look at this. This is the heaviest. Then after this comes the ball, the football, then the tennis ball. So this is the heaviest, heavier, heavy. If we want to arrange them from the lightest, we can say lightest, lighter, light. Okay. Here you have to take the heavier object. Which one do you think is heavier? Okay, have a look at this. So here we have cookies and cupcake. Which one do you think is heavier? Yes, for sure, it is the cupcake, and it's putting the scale down. So we tick this. I want you to do these 2 pages, please. Then here you have to write which one is the lightest, which one is the heaviest. From the lightest to the heaviest. You have pineapple, banana, and watermelon. Last page, you have to arrange the fruits from the lightest to the heaviest. Now you have their kilograms, okay? You have the numbers here. So you have to write the fruit, then the mass for each fruit, okay? For your exercises, take the correct description. Now we have numbers like 219 and 119 grams, okay? I want to take the correct one. Let's read the options first. Is lighter than, is heavier than, is as heavy as. Now 219, do you think it is bigger or smaller or the same? It is bigger. Why? Because 2 is bigger than 1, right? So it is heavier than. So we tick this. And you complete the others as follows. This one is page 175. And the last one, you have to arrange the masses from the heaviest to the lightest. Which one is the heaviest? Let's make the first one as an example. We have 150 grams, 99 grams, and 125 grams. So the first one, the heaviest. Remember, the heaviest is the biggest number. So the heaviest is 150, then it comes 125, then the least or the lightest is 99 grams. Okay, I hope you understand this lesson for today. Enjoy it. If you have any question, please let me know. So your task for this week is to do the pages in your learner's book 164, 165, 66, 172, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You have to do them, to take pictures and to send them to me, please. Okay? Please do that. And if you have any question, you didn't understand anything, please send me. Okay? Now, important words to know for this lesson: weighing scale, mass, measure, grams, kilograms, greater, less, heavy, heavier, the heaviest, light, lighter, the lightest. You need to learn these words, okay? Thank you.